Careful, careful, we're slipping.
It's not fixed.
I'm recording you buying an RV.
This one, right there.
I'm mad at Ohio. On our way to Rev Service Center yet again. And we're trying to beat this big winter storm that's coming.
We dropped off our RV in December.
Yeah, we did.
To get some major repairs done.
Yep.
For example, the leak that we've had in the windshield since we've gotten it. And we had that repaired twice already.
Yep.
Then we had some other issues with some sort of a power drain where even if we were plugged in at a campsite after 2 nights, the chassis battery went completely dead.
Completely dead.
And then also there was a small pinhole leak in our hydraulic jacks.
We're trying to beat this big winter storm that's coming in. Huge.
That they've been talking about, and they didn't know where it was coming from. And so we had to make some last minute decisions, figure out what we want to do. And we're driving up on a Friday because the storm is hitting Saturday, Sunday. They're like, you shouldn't be on the road. So we'll come back on Monday.
So we're going to try to get to Indiana tonight late.
Oh yeah, that's right, because we're leaving after work.
Yeah, it's
3:25 in traffic. We're gonna get there like 1 a.m.
We probably are.
You know, it's a really good thing we have 2 sets of keys.
Yeah, I know.
The one we gave them in our set.
Yep.
Because now we can like just go in, make ourselves at home till they open up on Monday.
Did you check to make sure you have your keys?
Yes, I have my keys.
Okay.
I know I normally don't have my keys, but today I have my keys. I checked because I was worried. Because I said, John is going to be so mad at me if we get up there and we get to the RV and it's like 1 o'clock in the morning because it's over an 8-hour drive. Yep. And I don't have those keys. I don't know what he would do.
Well, you know, I know what we would do.
I'm not staying in one of those hotels.
That's what we would do.
No. Okay, so if you haven't seen the video of the last time we went to Rev, that's when our pipes froze.
Yeah.
And then they messed it up. But they put us up in a hotel. Oh my God, no. I don't think I slept at all.
Yeah, it was muddy. I mean,
I'm a germaphobe.
Yeah, you are, and it
was not my type of hotel. I mean, I'm sure it's fine for some people, but I'm just very picky. I don't know.
She is picky. Yeah.
Okay, so wish us luck.
Yep.
We're gonna try to beat this storm.
Yes, we are. Going. How fast are you going?
I am going a full 5 miles per hour.
5 miles per hour. We'll get there.
All the way to Indiana.
Yep.
Woo! 15-hour trip.
No.
20?
No. So it's 3:30 and we haven't even gone 10 miles because apparently
10, we're like 5 miles. The whole plan was to try to get out just before rush hour, and now it's 3:39.
Oh, you're right. By the time we get to Frederick.
We're going to hit rush hour in Frederick. We're going to hit rush hour for all the people going into Virginia. What's that area called? I forget. And then we're going to hit, it's just going to, we're not going to get there till at this point after midnight.
We had to go so far south to get to this road. And this will take us to 70 though, and we're actually moving at highway speeds.
Stop jinxing it.
I'm not. Look, we're moving. It's great.
That's how you jinx it.
Oh, okay. I'll stop now. Need to be driving. Don't look at me.
I wasn't. I was looking in my mirror at the car behind us that went off the road.
It went off the... Oh.
He was in too much of a hurry to realize, I guess, there was a merge.
There is a merge.
All right, folks.
Yep. We're on our way, finally.
See you at midnight.
Yeah, see you at midnight. We made it in. 2 o'clock in the morning. And now it's 10. We just woke up recently. And it's, it says it's 28 degrees outside. We're going to try to go get some propane and get some water because they winterized it for us, which was great. So I'm going to get this thing ready to go. Snow. I didn't know it snowed last night.
I thought the whole point of this was to beat the snow.
Yeah, I didn't think it was supposed to snow until today. Well, I mean, I guess you're right. It's today, but I didn't expect it yet.
So John, the question is then, do we go do this now where it's still cold and it could be icy, or do we wait until...
I don't think we have a choice. We need to get water in here and we need to get propane in here, or it's just going to get colder because we barely have any. I can't even see the needle. That's how empty it is. I mean, the heat's still working, so we have a little bit left, but it's going to be empty anytime now.
Since we were unfamiliar with the area, we decided to check out the roads in the Jeep first before driving the RV out to get propane and water. Okay, John, look. You see that? Go closer. That is something new. I'm gonna go get some pictures. Okay, we had a live not too long ago in December where we talked about Fleetwood was going to be getting some new Class Bs out for their anniversary. And we are here at Rev RV picking up our RV from when it had repairs. And we noticed that there were a lot of new RVs, and we also noticed this van when we came in at like 2 o'clock in the morning last night, right? And of course we weren't gonna look at it then, but we noticed this van when we came in, and we said, you know what? I wonder if that's one of the new ones. And then we saw a Holiday Rambler version right across from it, and I think it is because the Tampa RV show is just a week away, and my guess is they bring the RVs here. They get them serviced and prepped and ready because it's not going to a dealership, so you're not getting, everything set up, plastic taken off, little things installed like you do when you buy it from a dealership. They bring it here to the Rev Service Center. They get it all ready to go to the show. So we think that these things are here for the show. So this right here is the Fleetwood Excursion. And this is the first time that anybody is seeing this. The first and exclusive from ampedtoglamp. Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. It's really easy, and it's right down below. Okay, so let's take a look at this excursion. I'm really liking it. I think this is really cute. Now, I don't have any specs on it or anything like that, but it's on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis. It looks like it's raised. It looks like that maybe the intent is for it to do a little light off-roading based on the tires and the height of it. It's got Fleetwood RV blasted across the side. I'm not sure if they plan to keep that or not. I'm not sure if I like that idea. I don't know if I want, Fleetwood RV right across the side of my RV. That's probably the first thing I see that I don't like. It looks like it's got that rack up top and a ladder that goes to it. I'm loving these nice big windows in the back, and you've got a nice little hitch down here below. It's got Indiana tags. I'm not going to test it to see if it's open. I don't want anybody to think I'm trying to steal anything. Looks like you got some power hookups back here on the side. I like these black tires, and this is a nice big sliding door and an awning up above. I cannot wait to go inside and view this at the show. I might even ask them when we pick up our RV if we can get a sneak peek on the inside. We'll see what they say. Anyway, now it's off to get that propane we talked about. Oh wait, no, we'll show you the Holiday Rambler when we come back when it gets a little bit warmer. That looks like it's pretty icy.
Oh, snow.
I don't know how you feel.
Oh, fine since it's level. It's completely
John,
fine.
just take it slow.
I will.
I don't want to mess up our rig before we get to
We won't.
Rev. And weren't we just trying to avoid all this?
Yeah, but this...
Careful, we're slipping.
No, we're not.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I don't feel any slippage at all.
I did.
I know.
You don't have to get close to the poles, it'll reach.
I know.
Sorry, I'm nervous.
I know.
You got this, I should know that. Which one fell while we were driving?
This...
So it's not the same one you fixed?
No, I fixed that one. The one that's still there.
Maybe we need to just start nailing in all the trim before it falls.
Well, I used the same nails they had. I just put wood glue on it too.
Was that one that fell while we were driving?
Yeah, this fell while we...
Does it have nails?
It does still. I'll just have to make
So
sure...
nail it and glue it?
Yeah, I'll have to glue it. It doesn't have glue though. Just nails.
Just nails.
I'll use wood glue.
It was pretty funny, but it seems like every time we come to Rev for service, we end up fixing stuff in our RV too, ourselves. It's funny.
We have to do it. Maybe I should just pull the other two off and do those.
That's what I was saying. We might as well, because if those two fell off, the other ones probably need to go out too.
Yeah, it's only a matter of time before those trim pieces.
Yeah, but that's a project for another day.
Yeah.
People do this, that pink stuff. I like the way we do it with just air.
Yeah, I like air better too.
So now, like, we've never done this before. So, like, what? Now we just turn on all the faucets, get all the pink stuff out, and then you have to change the water filter.
I haven't put one in right now because...
So there's no water filter in there?
No.
What do they do with the one they took out?
It's in there, but that was looking pretty old because we used it so much.
Okay, so...
I'm going to put a new one in.
I guess I gotta go through all the faucets. This is too much work.
It is. I'm going to back.
Yeah, you're gonna have to, because I can't climb over with my ankle.
Yeah.
And that wood thing is there. Oh, let's see.
Get me, I get it.
Good.
But it's
Yeah, pink foam. They gotta do all the faucets and the well, do I have to do the toilet should be fine,
Toilets
right?
will be fine. You don't need to worry about the toilets.
No, it's got pink stuff coming out of it.
Well, yeah, but we can pee and poo in pink stuff. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, John.
You don't want to wash your hands.
We cannot resist an RV show. And I was watching a little YouTube this morning when I woke up, and this ad popped up, and apparently, we're in Indiana picking up our rig for repairs. We check out on Monday with the service center. And I saw that there's an RV show in town. They're having in Indianapolis, which is about an hour and a half, hour and 50 minutes away, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, I don't know. Anyway, it's away. But it's in the same state. But they're having an RV expo. And I'm like, shoot, there's an RV show within 2 hours away. John, let's go. Because you guys know how much I love RVs. Okay, John, I'm just rambling on.
Yeah, you are. It's fine. You're excited. We're going to an RV show.
So the weather's clearing up some. It's just a little bit of snow. Driving carefully in case there's ice. But man, I'm so excited. It's Indiana. It's the capital of RVs. You gotta go see RVs.
Pretty much.
And maybe we'll find a White Castle on the way.
Oh, a White Castle.
You guys know we can't resist a White Castle.
Can't resist it.
On the way to White Castle, we discovered a Culver and remembered that quite a number of our viewers suggested we give them a try. So we did.
This is crispy.
Yeah?
I like these fries.
Take a bite of burger.
Mm.
We made a detour. There's a Culvers, and everybody said you gotta try Culvers. So
Oh,
we'll give
look
it a
at
shot.
all the stuff on this burger.
Let's see this burger.
Oh my gosh.
Let me get a picture of this burger. Turn it this way, John. Just hold it still right there. Okay. A little sloppy.
A little bit.
Yeah, well, we'll see how it tastes.
I like this.
How does it compare to In-N-Out?
Oh my gosh, they're close.
Really?
They're very close.
Folks, you have given us some serious choices here. I mean, we told you we love White Castle. You said try In-N-Out. In-N-Out was really good. Different kind of burger, really good. And now John just took a bite of this Culver burger. And he says it's really close to In-N-Out. He can't decide. So, hey, good job on those burger selections. We got to try some more. We shared a burger because it was a lot of food. So I'm going to give it a try now. Oh, wow. I don't know, John, though. I think I like In-N-Out better, but this is a very tasty. This burger has a lot of seasoning. There's a lot going on in this burger.
There is.
It's good, though.
It is good.
It's real close.
Yep.
But I have to say In-N-Out.
Okay.
Let's keep going to the show. All right, folks, first time. John was able to get a senior ticket. Senior ticket. I'm saving this. So the show is a little bit smaller than we thought.
Yeah.
So as you guys know, if you've been following us, right, we are torn. We've been thinking about getting a diesel pusher, but it seemed like all the floor plans we loved. There was the Journey that never really hasn't come out yet. There's the Fleetwood. We had issues with that one, and so now we're like thinking maybe we should try Brinkley. So let's go check it out.
Let's go look.
What are you doing?
I'm recording you buying an RV.
This one, right there.
Wait, that's too close. Do that again.
No. You missed it.
I missed it.
That's all there is to it.
Sorry, that's it?
You guys are fun. I like it.
Oh, it's the base camp, John. This fits a lot more people than I thought it would.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a base camp.
It's a base camp. That's pretty cool.
We had fun hanging out in the show, but we had an early start in the morning and a long drive back home, so we headed back to the RV at Rev Service Center. And no day is complete without a visit to Walmart. Let's go get some supplies.
Yeah, but...
Okay, probably looking a mess right now. It is just a little bit after midnight. Is that right, John?
Yes.
And boy, what a day we've had. But we wanted to finish up this video. Wait, hold on. Sorry.
What are you doing?
I'm hungry and my cereal's gonna get... We haven't had dinner, so we're having a bowl of cereal. We did stop to Culvers.
Oh my God.
Our first trip to Culvers on the way to the RV show in Indiana was great. It was delicious. So we decided to stop at another Culvers, and it didn't go as well. We ended up throwing most of the food away. But anyway, so I just wanted to get a chance to finish this video. The leak fix wasn't fixed because we ended up with a bunch of water in our dashboard after it rained and snowed while we were in Indiana. So I'm really glad we got there before Monday, so we had a weekend to spend in the RV to see if there were any issues. Apologize for the angle, but this is on my iPhone. Got that fixed. We hit the road later than we wanted to, and I gotta tell you, man, the state of Maryland has gotta up their game. I'm gonna turn this around and let John tell you all about it.
What? I'm mad at Ohio. Because they have all the good stuff. We don't have anything here. We don't have... Okay. Ohio, you have all the parks. You have lakes. You have all these places where you can go to a rest stop and actually plug in. Mm-hmm. Actually plug your RV in.
We can only stay for 2 hours. 2 hours.
Yeah, 2 hours. 2 hours at our rest stops. That's it. Then out of there.
Not to mention, they have campgrounds everywhere that's open in the winter.
Oh, that's right. They have winter camping. Mm-hmm. See? That's why I hate Ohio.
Anyway, we weren't going to stay at Cracker Barrel until I found out, reading the reviews, that there's a little drug activity in the hotel next to it. And there's some homeless folks that live in the wooded area right behind it. So, not that, you know, I understand people sometimes are down on their luck, but the drug thing, people are buying and selling drugs, I don't want to be anywhere near that. All right, folks, we're going to end this video. We hope you are enjoying your adventure.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the end of ours for tonight. We're going to get 2 hours sleep and then hit the road again.
Oh, man.
And then go to work in the morning.
Right.
Enjoy your journey.